Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore RV insurance claims with Progressive step by step clearly. To restore RV insurance claims with Progressive, begin by gathering all relevant documentation. This includes your insurance policy details and any previous claims information. Next, ensure you have all necessary photos or evidence related to the damage or incident. Contact Progressive's customer service to initiate your claim restoration process. Provide your policy number and a brief description of the issues you're facing. Explain clearly what happened, including dates and locations of incidents. Confirm your contact information to ensure efficient communication. Ask for any specific requirements or forms necessary for the claim restoration. Once you receive guidance from Progressive, fill out any required forms accurately. Submit your forms along with any supporting documents. Keep copies of everything you send for your records. Follow up with Progressive after a few days to check on your claim status. Be prepared to answer any additional questions they may have during their review. If your claim is approved, you will be informed about the next steps for processing. If there are any issues, ask for clarification and guidance on how to resolve them. Stay in regular contact with your claims representative throughout the process. Document all interactions for future reference. Once everything is settled, review your policy to ensure it reflects any changes made during the claims process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.